Hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. Thanks for coming back. And those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. Today I'll be reviewing this Monster Air Mask XKT08 gaming earphone. So to me, the Monster XKT08 earphone is a very budget earphone. Normally what I use is this studio earphone. This one very expensive, but now they got this type of budget earphone, so I try one of it, and it's very good. Now let's unbox it and take a look inside. Ooh. Okay, they got one cover written Monster, and then let's see what's inside this box. Here got one black box. Should be charger and what's it? Oh, they got one lanyard. Okay, this is the menu. Okay, and the charging cable. Okay, there's anything more? No more. So that's it. Oh, okay. It look like that long. Have to zoom in. Yeah, not bad. The design is transparent and look like a lighter. That let me read out the spec. This is a Bluetooth version 5.3. I think quite latest already. And the transmission distance is about 10 meter. And it's a 1.5 hour to charge with the casing. I written there already. The music play time with the casing is written 24 hour. Low latency gaming with minimum delay. So when you park game, no delay when you talk lah. Then lightweight. It doesn't hurt your ears. I haven't put on, so I don't know. And it's a splash proof and dust proof. Noise reduction microphone that can cancel out the background noise when you are making a call or gaming. And then it's a touch control. First thing I see, I like the design because it's transparent, and then the earphone is magnetic. See, when you put back, it's magnetic. Okay, what note for? That's why they give you a lanyard, so that you can tie it, and then you can hang it on your neck. You don't need to put in the pocket. It's quite long to put in the pocket. The charging port is Type C and USB. So you want to charge, you just put in this one. I already charged and then when you put on your ears, this one is left or right side? Left side. Okay. You see the design of the earbud? Yeah, not bad. This is the left side. So when I put back, yeah, it's very comfortable. Really don't hurt your ears. Bounce down. See, it's already paired. So how you pair? You must on your Bluetooth lah. 出来了未？there. Then you look for this monster. Then you press. Then done. 出来了未？ Yeah, it's connected. Then it say my volume too high. See, connected 100%. Yeah, 100%. Very easy to pair. Okay, so if you want to go and buy this, you can go to my Shopee link below in the description. But Shopee about 20 plus, quite higher than the TikTok shop they are selling. TikTok shop now selling about 13 or $14 only. Very cheap. This is a very budget earphone. Now I'll teach you all how to tie the lanyard. Yeah, very simple You just kiap it and then here got one hole Don't know can see it zoom. So you just push in the hole. See it come out already. Come out. come out from the hole. Come out, then you pull. Then you just put the other end up. That's it. The lanyard. So you can hang on your neck. Very good if you give this one to your father, grandfather as a gift so that they can hang it. Then they can listen to music, or play game, or watch streaming in their phone. So today my review is this very simple monster XKT08. I think they will come out XKT012 already. This is 08 lah. That's why it's much more cheaper. So, and they got many color. You can go and choose. I like the transparent casing. Very good. So if you want to get, and go to my description there. And I see you next week. Everyone, come back again. Please like and share.